Hi guys, it's Robbie here from Bushtech Aluminium Canopies, and I want to show you what we've developed over the lockdown period. So what we did is took a Land Cruiser double cab, we did a 400mm extension on the chassis, and we've created a tray. The tray is 2.1 meters long by 1.8 meters wide, which is the same or slightly more surface area than you would get in the single cab. So now you have the benefits of the double cab with the tray of a single cab. From a weight perspective, I'll just quickly give you an overview as to what we've managed to get on here. And we have a long range tank here, and we have two 75-litre water tanks. That's 150 litres of water right up in front of the axle. We envisage the fridge system to be on this side and the full battery system on that side. That's taking care of most of the weight that you'd need for an overlanding vehicle. The tray that we've created is a full aluminium tray with mild steel chassis beams. With the tray bed, the trundle drawer and canopy, we've come in at 240 kilos. That's slightly heavier than the double cab tub on its own. The benefit here is you have the tray, which is 2.1 meters long and 1.8 meters wide. So now you're getting the benefit of the single cab bed in a double cab. So without further ado, as our fellow president would say, with immediate effect, let's go inside and look at the build. Here we are, almost done. We were pretty excited, so we thought we'd bring it outside to show you what it actually looks like in all its glory. We've kept, obviously, the classic Bushtech main profiles, our continuous hinges, and the quality that you guys are used to from us. So without further ado, let me just jump into it just to show you what we've done here. So obviously we've got the door locks that open up into the gullwing door. Then we've got the inside. So the inside, we've got slotted roof rails. We have them in the front as well. So from a mounting perspective, you guys can basically do anything. This is now your canvas to start customizing the ultimate overlander. Coming down, there's obviously some cupboards on the side. Here we envisage water pumps, etc. And at the back, there's another one, same thing, more storage space for whatever else. And this is obviously on all four sides. Coming to the back, there's a trundle drawer with a stainless steel top so that you can actually use it to prepare food or as a tabletop, and obviously the storage inside. If you guys are interested, get in touch with us. We start taking pre-orders, and I'm sure these are going to be pretty popular, so get first in line.